one-way garage coming at you. My way or the highway here. Heater core leaking in a 99.5 Mk4 Jetta TDI diesel. Hot tip, you don't have to take this crash bar out. You don't even have to touch it. All the YouTube videos I watch, everyone's taking off front wipers and cowls and motors and to get this loose, but there's no reason. If you have the split HVAC box, leave that in there. I think people take it out because they can't get this piece out, but you don't need to. You just need to just jam it up, and you just need enough room to slide that box out. Didn't touch the AC, nothing. Didn't touch any bolts on this crash bar except for these two brackets, which are just 13 millis. And then you just slide the whole box out. That's that. Little tip for you. All the YouTubes I've seen, everyone's touching this crash bar, and don't even touch it. You don't need to, and they're dropping steering columns and bungees are everywhere. You don't need to do any of that. And mine was definitely leaking. My blend doors were pretty much, the foam was still on there, but it was all wet because the heater core was leaking. And this box does split really easy. It's just a couple of these screws here, and it just literally, the two halves split, and you can get these blend doors out, get everything all cleaned up, put it back together, and off you go.